All right, so shorting everything part one. Just kidding. What's going on, guys? It's Ricky with Tech Solutions here with a super quick market update. So I am shorting Tesla. I opened short during my live trading with the LPP team. Originally, this thing ripped up, opened short, closed my position, then it ripped up even more, opened short a little bit too early, and then as it corrected itself, was able to make my money back. So I'm still up in the green. If it ends up breaking above the EMA and the moving average and begins to indicate signs of recovery, I'll close out my short, letting it rip up, and then open short again at overbought levels. So I still believe that, again, feel free to share your opinion down in the comment section. This is simply just mine. I'm a huge Elon fan. I'm a huge Tesla fan. But nonetheless, the only reason that it was up at the peak, I think it was like 15 or 16%, is yesterday it reported earnings. It missed earnings, both earnings per share and revenue. The only reason that it's in the green is because it's promise from Elon Musk himself. He stated that as early as 2025 that we're going to be getting the Tesla Model 2. We've heard a lot of these promises before. I'm not sure if it's going to follow up, especially with him and his layoffs, at least 10% of the workforce, the slowdown in demand. I'm just not convinced that as early as next year or in just a few months that we're going to be able to see this Tesla Model 2 that supposedly isn't even available yet, right? With that being said, I think that Tesla can end up correcting itself when looking at this on the 30-minute time frame. I think that it's going to end up pulling on back once this hype fades. It doesn't have to be today, and I don't expect it to be. But once we do get confirmation, ultimately, Tesla's overall pattern is extremely bearish. Just like we talked about yesterday, I wanted it to rip up, get close to the moving average, and get rejected just like it did the previous times. So this is why I opened up short, because I see there to be downside potential and Tesla simply returning back to its previous bearish pattern after this hype fades. That is my opinion. I've been wrong many times. I'm just sharing it with you. So you let me know down in the comment section what you think. The other stock that I shorted today is the one and only DJT. So DJT, I opened short from overbought levels and then close out the short here. And then I just opened short again as it's coming back to retest a very small position as of right now. And then I'll add more once we get confirmation below the EMA, and then I'll close out my short here. Other than that, I've just been enjoying kind of like scalping, not even scalping, but just trading these reversals, because that's really what it is. We're playing with overbought and oversold levels today. When it becomes overbought, I'll open up short. When it becomes oversold, I'll respect it and I'll close out my short. And that's exactly what I did with DJT, understanding and respecting previous resistance levels and previous support levels. And that's what I've been doing with Tesla itself today, as again, it becomes overbought, oversold, overbought, oversold. Now it's again pending a potential reversal. If we get that confirmation, I'll respect it, and then I'll just close out my short, wait for it to rip up, and then open short again. I'm keeping my trading very simple, and that's how I've seen for myself that I experience the most success. When I stay light and efficient with my position size, and I allow the stock to do what it wants, that I'm just working with it instead of against it. And that's what I'm trying to do today. So you guys let me know down in the comment section what you think. I was looking up this new microphone that I just got. But other than that, a few of you guys were asking for our risk to reward ratio calculator. If you want to download it, it is free. And it's how you can plan out your next trade with your entry, your exit, your stop loss, your risk to reward ratio, and of course, the profit potential and the loss potential. It's great for beginners. Again, it's a free tool that we provide for you at techbutsolutions.com under trading tools. We have it available for Mac, for Apple devices, or for PCs. So feel free to check it out. Other than that, I hope to see you for tomorrow's live trading session. Today's live trading session was a lot of fun because they got to see all of my trades with DJT and with Tesla live in real time. And that's the question to kind of ask yourself. If you are feeling lost doing this on your own, then would it be valuable for you to be able to watch me trade live? And if so, click that second link in the description down below. And again, LPP is a one-time payment, lifetime access, and right now it's 50% off, which is our biggest discount. So hopefully if you sign up today, I can see you as soon as tomorrow for our live trading session. Like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take care, team.